The next topic is adding or appending data to a CSV file. Now let us consider the previously created file, that is student.csv. Now in that, suppose if we want to add one more row. Okay, suppose roll number 16 Shikha and percentage 82. If we want to add this row, then for this we have to open the file in append mode. So then what we will do is, we'll just go back to the Python interface, and then what we will do is open the file student.csv, and now we will open the file in append mode because we want to add one more row. So we will open the file in append mode, and then writer object, we will create the writer object and csv dot writer, and then again the file handle. Now one list we will create, whatever name you want to give. Suppose the new row is the name is equal to, now 16 is the roll number, then name, suppose it is given as Shikha, and then the percentage that is given. Now after entering this, again we have to write this. So for this we will use the write row function. So the object name is stu writer dot write row, and the list that we have created, it will be passed as an argument over here. So new row. So if you want to display a message in Python so that you come to know whether row has been inserted or not, so you can just give a message that new row inserted, and then we can just save this file with a different name, new data.py, and then we'll just save this and we'll run this module. Now you can see the message new row inserted. So let us go back to the Python folder and check whether this row has been actually inserted or not. And now you can see over here that 16 Shikha 82, this is the new row that we have appended. So it has been added at the last. So this is how we append data into an existing file. The next topic is deleting all the contents of a CSV file. Now deleting, there are two aspects. First, deleting the content only. In that case, the content will be deleted but the file will exist, the blank file. And then deleting the file completely. The file will also be removed from the folder. So first, let us write a program to delete the content of the file. So for this, what we have to do is, this is a very short program. So let us go back to the interface Python, and now I'll just import a CSV, and then I'll just open the file, whatever file from which the contents I have to delete. So suppose the student file that we created earlier. So student.csv is my file, and I'm just opening it in R+ mode. After that, there is a function known as truncate. So with the file handle, we have to use this function, and it is written as truncate and then 0 like this over here. So this function will delete all the content, all the rows of data that are present in the file, and then a message can be given so that it is displayed. You come to know whether the program is working correctly or not. So you can just give the message as file contents deleted, and then we can just close the file. So just let us save this program, And now when you will run this program, then you can see the message file contents deleted. Now let us go back to the folder and check whether actually contents have been deleted or not. So we can just right click and open it with Notepad, and you can see that the file is blank now. No data is present. The file is existing, but the data has been deleted over here. We can open it with Excel also, and you can see that the file is blank now. So earlier the data that we have entered is gone now. The next topic is removing or deleting a file. So now we have deleted the content, but the file is existing. Now what if we want to remove the file also? So in that case, what we have to do is we have to import CSV, and then one more module we have to import, that is import OS. There is no need to open anything. We don't have to open the file. Then we'll just write os.remove function is used over here, and then we have to mention the name of the CSV file that we want to remove. So we want to remove student.csv. So this file we want to remove, and we can give the message as file removed, so that we come to know whether the program is working correctly or not. So print file removed, and then there is no need to close the file because we have not opened it. If the file will be opened, then obviously we will not be able to delete it. So make sure that the file is closed. So now we'll just save it with a different name. We just save it, and when we run this module, you can see file removed message has come over here. Let us go back to the folder and check. Now you can see that only two files, comp result we created, employee we created, and student that we created has gone now. Now this is not there. So this was all about the CSV files. Thank you.